Good morning! I have some overnight oats with me. They're blue. But they don't taste like they're blue. I have my balcony door open because it's the middle of February, but it literally feels like spring. It's a nice cool breeze. Let me pop on some brows before we start this video. Okay, my brows are on. So today is Swatch Saturday. Welcome back. Swatch Saturday, if you're not familiar with it, is where I swatch entire collections of things. Mostly lipsticks, lip glosses, all the fun lip stuff, and I share them with you on Swatch Saturday. And we have an extremely special video today because I'm gonna be doing a little makeup tutorial and sharing all of the, hold up, brand spanking new
Pillow Lip Lipsticks from IT Cosmetics. They come in 14 different shades.
There is a matte and a cream finish in all of the 14 shades. So I'm gonna be sharing all of them with you in this video, and a huge thank you to IT Cosmetics for sponsoring this video today. You guys know I love IT Cosmetics. We're getting stuck in the background over here. So I'm really excited to share these with you guys, and I'm really excited to be back for Swatch Saturday. So let's put a little makeup on, and then we'll get to the swatches. The Holy Grail. Bronze. Blush. Best trick in the book, I'm gonna do some bronzer to my eyes. One of my favorite mascaras lately. Like, we don't even need to put falsies on, but I'm still gonna. But hi, Train. How are ya? Okay, let me pop on some lashes really quick so we could get on to these lips. I'm back. Not only did I put my lashes on, I've got my pretty earrings on, my jewelry, my clothes, my hair. I'm gonna use the IT Cosmetics Your Lips But Better Lip Pencil in Spicy Nude. And then right in the center, I'm gonna use the shade Vision. This is what it looks like. It is a extremely pretty warm tone nude, and this is the cream shade. And the lipsticks have like a really good point on them, so you don't even need lip liner. Here is my shade. Okay, let's zoom you guys in and get to these swatches. So here's the packaging on the lipstick. Very pretty.
Guys, this is some real life stuff, clearly, but there's 28 shades and your girl forgot to swatch one of the 28. This shade is Moment. I guess I deserve that for forgetting it. This is Moment. This is the matte Moment. I did remember to swatch the cream one, as you guys just saw, but this is matte Moment. I have a cold sore on my lip, so we're only gonna swatch it on this half of my lip so you guys can see the color. And then I'm gonna go put so much alcohol on this lipstick. Okay, guys, there's Moment. The matte Moment. I did pretty good for 1, 2, 3. ABC. All right, back to the video.
Those are all of the swatches. This is my top favorite shade. There's so many that I really loved, but I think Vision is my absolute favorite.
All right, guys, this is the finished look. I decided to go with the shade Vision on my lips. I have some meetings and things to do in the city today, so I hope you guys enjoyed all of these swatches. Let me know in the comments below which shade or shades are your favorite. I had a tough time choosing just one, but I think Vision is the perfect nude shade for me. But I think, oh, there's too many. I like too many of them. But I think it's so cool that they all 14 shades come in a cream and a matte finish. So make sure to go and pick up your absolute favorite shade. And thank you guys so much for tuning in and watching. And a huge, huge, huge thank you to IT Cosmetics for sponsoring this video. I hope you guys enjoyed it. I'll see you guys next time.